You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
So I'm back with another Amazon hair review. So this is going to be a clip-in review. So let's go ahead and start it. I'm gonna leave all the description at the side. So this is a kinky straight clip-in. These are kinky straight clip-in, and it was only $38, and this is 12 inches. So let's go ahead, open the package. You know, but yeah, this is supposed to be pretty easy. And I'm gonna be trying the heatless stop method. So I saw that it's going like viral on TikTok, and it also, I saw it on Facebook also. So I'm gonna try doing that and see how it comes out. So this is the packaging. Okay, so this is the packaging. You have your clip-ins, which is 12 inches, and I told you it is the kinky straight, and then it comes with 5D lashes. So this is 100% handmade lashes. So it comes with this, and then it comes with your clip-on. So I'm gonna show you guys. Let me just open it. Ooh. And it comes with extra combs too. So you have extra combs right here. Okay, so I'm gonna just straighten it a little bit because you see it's like dented right now. While the iron is getting hot, let's just go ahead and do this. Keep my hair out this to the bun. I'm gonna just wait until after to do the flat ironing, so I can just do everything one time. And the bundle is pretty thick, so it's very thick. Let me see how much clip-ons I get. Okay, so I get 2 small ones. I guess these ones goes at the front. So like this size, I get 2 of that size, 2 of this size. So that's 4. 2 like good size. This have 3 pins, and then I get a 2 big pieces. These one goes up in the top in the center, and these ones have holes in them. Like that. this is a tool, the tool one. I just open.
Yeah.
This is a one. So I'm just this one right here. And we call it just run the line through it so everything looks uniform. Okay, guys. Just a little bit too. Some edge control, but just a little bit. I'm just putting it. It kind of look, you know, like I went to the salon. Alright guys, tell me if you guys like it. I do love it. It matched my hair so perfectly. It blends in so good, like seriously. I can't even like really, like when I put my hand through my hair, I can't really feel the like any bulkiness, or I can't feel the clip ends. That's how good how to install this thing is, and it's so easy. But yeah, this is the end of